Did you know email marketing remains as one of the most powerful ways to grow your business? And while email marketing is one of the most cost-effective digital marketing strategies with one of the highest return on investment, not all small businesses use it. And I firmly believe that many small business owners are not doing email marketing because they tend to overcomplicate things and think it's difficult to get started. So in today's video, I'll be walking you through on how to build an email list in 6 easy steps. And by the end of the video, you will know how to start, manage, and grow your email list. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy, and I help small business owners turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly videos, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be the first one notified of any new video. So let's go over each step that you need to follow to get started with your email list. The first step is to choose your email marketing provider. Choosing the right platform for your email marketing needs can be difficult, but the one that I recommend is ConvertKit. It's a great choice. I love how easy it is to set up and use their system because it actually helped me to get my business started quickly without any hassle or confusion. Another email provider that I also recommend is Mailchimp. They offer a free plan, an easy marketing platform to navigate, and tons of free tutorials to help you get started. So at the end of the day, there's a lot of different types of email marketing. Just choose the one that best resonates with what your needs are and just get started. You can always switch to a different email provider down the line if you ever need more bells and whistles. But in the beginning, just get started with anyone, especially if you're in a tight budget. Just do a free plan for now, as long as you get started. Once you start making more money in your business, you can always upgrade to a different platform. Step 2, create a lead magnet. And you might be asking yourself, what is a lead magnet? And a lead magnet is a marketing term used to describe an offer that compels people interested in your business, brands, or products to sign up for your email list for the exchange of the lead magnet. Now, lead magnets can be anything from downloadable digital content like ebooks and PDF, checklists, to coupon codes for online stores. So if you're looking for a way to build an audience that's already interested in your business, lead magnets are the best way to go. So leading people into customers is easier because these subscribers have already demonstrated their interest by signing up for your list. Step 3 is create an opt-in form. Next, you want people to sign up for your list. And the best part is that you don't need a website to grow your email list. Now, both Mailchimp and ConvertKit have forms that you could easily set up where customers can sign up to receive your lead magnet. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide on creating an opt-in form, I will link my video right above, and I will leave the link in the description below where I actually walk you step-by-step on how to create an opt-in form for your email list. Now, if you're finding value so far, please let me know by liking this video and leaving a comment below. Step number 4 is to create a welcome sequence. A welcome sequence is a sequence of emails that you automatically send people after they sign up for your email list. And the main goal of this welcome message is to confirm, 1, a new subscriber, and welcome them aboard. Now, your next question might be, how many emails should be in a welcome series? I recommend anywhere between 3 to 5 welcome emails to introduce your brand properly. Now, this is a great opportunity to tell your new subscribers what they could expect from you. So, are you going to be offering exclusive content or special discounts for their next purchase by just simply being in your list? Now, you could also cross-promote and share social media so they could follow you on other platforms and keep them in your ecosystem. Step 5 is to promote your lead magnet and get the word out to start growing your email list. And there's so many ways to promote your lead magnet and skyrocket your signups. I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite places to promote it. So 1, you could write a blog post about your lead magnet. You could share it on any social media platform. You could add the lead magnet to your website sidebar. You could add it to your email signature. You could use it on Facebook groups, on forums. You could promote it in your ads. You could create pins on Pinterest. You could create a resource library. You could leverage influencers, and you could add it to your e-commerce store. Step number 6 is to stay consistent. You could generate a lot of sales from your email list, but it takes consistency. Most subscribers will remain on your list because they want to receive messages from you. Make sure that you're delivering on your promise. So if you said they will receive 1 email per week with exclusive content, make sure to stick with it. Trust is built on consistency. Don't make the mistake of neglecting your list, and keep your readers engaged. So there you have it, 6 easy steps to help you build your email list the right way. If you have any questions about anything that I mentioned, let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.